dear friends, I'm Dr. BK Garg. I'm plastic and cosmetic surgeon practicing in New Delhi and Gurugram at Iconic Clinic. In this video, I will be discussing the process of scalp micropigmentation. I will discuss how this procedure is done, is it painful, and who are all those candidates who can benefit from scalp micropigmentation. Let us discuss what exactly is scalp micropigmentation. Scalp micropigmentation makes use of special kind of inking material, and we implant this small amounts of ink just under your skin, which imitates as if some small hair are present. This is generally used to give you an appearance of enhanced density and sometimes to enhance your hair transplant result. We also use it sometimes to cover up strip scars which are wider and which are difficult to conceal with short hair. So if you are looking to enhance your hair transplant result wherein your density is less, or in case you are still not planning for hair transplant but your hair have thinned, in that case scalp micropigmentation can help you little fuller look. Or in case you have donor area which has thinned out because of repeated harvest by FUE, therein by scalp micropigmentation we can restore that fullness in your donor area and it may not look as thin. Or in case you have old strip surgery scar or FUT scar which is on the back of your head and which reveals if you cut your hair short, so by using scalp micropigmentation we can cover that scar and make it less obvious. So this technique can be used in various ways to enhance the look of your hair, to enhance density or to cover scars. Now, how is this procedure performed? Typically, scalp micropigmentation session can be combined with hair transplant or can be done as standalone procedure also. This procedure is performed as a walk-in procedure and we do not need any special preparation for this. We use a kind of numbing cream most of the times and which is sufficient to provide you a comfortable experience during the procedure. Rarely we need to provide you a small local anesthesia and which makes you even more comfortable. Procedure involves using a special scalp micropigmentation gun, which is a special device wherein we use very fine needle to place small amounts of ink right under your skin. So this process typically takes around 3 to 4 hours to perform depending upon the area involved. So at Iconic Clinic we only use FDA approved ink and special FDA approved guns to use to make these scalp micropigmentation sessions. Now this lifespan of this procedure is generally 4 to 5 years, although sometimes some patients experience that this can last even longer. As like any other tattooing process, this ink can fade over a period of time and sometimes you may need a touch-up few months later also. So this procedure is very useful procedure. It is a kind of minimally invasive procedure wherein we can improve the result of previously done hair transplant. We can give an appearance of fullness and we can cover if there had been any scars in hair transplant which are difficult to manage. So this is one of the useful techniques which you can leverage to your benefit. So if you have any more queries regarding scalp micropigmentation procedure, you can get in touch with us. We'll be very happy to help you.